Hello everyone. I believe I am audible now. Hi guys. How are you all doing? So I can see a few of you. I can see Jahir, Rajendra. Hello. Okay, let me open the chat quick. So that is so great. So as you can Hi guys. How are you all doing? So as you can see on your screens that today's topic is sound, and we are going to cover like a bit of that part. We will not be covering like the whole of sound in 8th class. This is for 8th class, this class. So we won't be covering like the whole chapter because it is like quite lengthy, but we would be covering like a part of it. All right. So before beginning with the class, let me quickly tell you a brief about the platform that you are studying on currently. That is Unacademy, and just let's crack it together. So a wonderful platform. Unacademy is providing you with all these wonderful classes, and okay, let me just quickly open the chat again and again. Hi Gitika. Hi guitarist. So nice to have you. Anjana. Hello everyone. Oh, I just forgot to share the link on the Telegram. Okay, Telegram channel. I don't know, a lot of you would be able to see that now. So let me do that quickly for you so that other people can join in as well. Until then, you can read up on my description. So let me share the link really quick with everyone so that we can join and have a healthy competition in the Menti quiz as well that we have in this class. So let's see, here is my Telegram, and shared. Perfect. So I think now people would be able to join in. Perfect. So let's begin. Like you can see that I am on the screen. My name is Abha Sharma. I am an educator from past so many years, and I love teaching lovely kids like you. And I'm very new to Unacademy, but yet like a very good, not, I would not say good, but teacher teaching from a very long time. So yes, these are the ongoing and upcoming batches. For 8th class, you can find the Eureka batch, the Let's Crack It grammar batch for English and Hindi. In the Eureka batch, you would be getting math, science and SST. In this, you would be getting the all the different batches for English and Hindi. It would be covering like a whole syllabus of these things. So let's talk about the weekend batches. Weekend batches are the ones that you can attend, of course, on Saturdays and Sundays, because I know how busy you people are. So hi Gitika, so nice to have all your emojis. I love when my chat is looking really colorful. Hi Parinita, how are you doing? Perfecto, very nice. So these are the weekend batches. For 8th class, you have an Hindi batch taught by Surabhi ma'am and Prashant Nikam sir. Then let's move ahead. We have this English batch for 6th, 7th and 8th. For 8th class, the full syllabus would be covered in this particular batch by Sonal ma'am and Sayoni Das ma'am. So they would be like teaching you really well and would be covering like the whole syllabus. So these now these are your revision batches. So let's see how they are going to help us, and let's see who is here. Me. So I would be taking like a revision batch for 6th, 7th and 8th. All right. Okay. Yes, I know, Sanidhya, but this is a process that we need to follow in case like any of the new kid is here in the I'm so sorry, here in the class. So that's just a usual process that we need to follow. But yeah, very soon I would be quickly beginning with the topic of the day. Yeah. So okay, so you can see me here. This batch is for 8th class. It is available on the Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. So go ahead and be a part of Plus or Iconic. So these are the focus batches that would be for your math, science and SST. They have just started and they would be till your 29th January. Hi Gitika, I love to see your emojis that you are sending up. So nice. I just love that. I can see your excitement already. So these 4 teachers would be teaching you that. And yeah, this is not applicable now. Perfect. So these are the plus subscription that is available. In that you get all these classes, and the daily classes, the live classes, and then the weekly quizzes and everything would be provided to you in the plus and iconic subscription. So in the plus subscription you get all these things, but in the iconic subscription you get this as well. So your personal mentor, your everyone would be like helping you build a better career and would be helping you to kind of gain that kind of a knowledge. So they would be like a blanket of people, a 360-degree kind of a support given to you in the iconic subscription. So these are the rate plans. You can definitely go ahead and check them out. For that, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Moreover, go ahead and download the Unacademy application if you haven't till now, because classes like these are the free classes. Like they happen so many times on the Unacademy application as well. They are known as the special classes. So you can have like a idea of what and how we teach, and then you can move ahead and be a part of plus or iconic. Yes, Hitesh. So today's topic is sound. We would be going in deep of that particular chapter today. But yeah, so we would be covering like a part of it today. So this is a creative corner if you want to go beyond the syllabus of the school. And of course, you can get the classes for magic tricks, filmmaking, debating, blogging, everything. So these are the rate plans for this particular subscription. Yes, let's begin. Absolutely. So now we would be focusing a bit on the concepts, and yeah, let's begin. So what is sound according to you people? So sound is basically a sensation that our ears feel. How does that sensation come up to our ear? How do we are able to differentiate between different kinds of sound? How does it travel? We would be covering that in today's class, and how our ear basically works in order to make it better for us. So the sensation felt by our ears is known as sound. Perfect. Sound is a form of energy, right? So I can tell you about electrical bell. You have heard that. So electricity basically produces that with the help of the electrical energy you produce sound energy. So it is also a form of energy that can be transferred from one form to the another. So the various instruments that you can see over here, all of them produce like different types of sounds. Why my ticks are going as a line? Okay, so let me just delete that for, yeah, there have no reason to be here. Okay, so what are the uses of sound? They basically help us to communicate with each other. Now, how does sound is produced, and how can we hear that, and how can it cannot be produced? So that is the answer is on your screen. My throat is getting really dry by talking a lot. So yeah, I'll just excuse me for the water breaks in between. All right, vibrations or oscillations produced by sound. Absolutely. Have you heard about that, or have you heard that sound of the drilling machine when they're drilling inside the earth? Have you seen that? So much of vibration, and uski vibration ke saath saath you can hear that sound. So sound is produced by vibrating objects. Anything that is vibrating, it usually produces your sound. Okay, so whenever we hear a sound, it must be vibrating to produce that sound. It can be the case when I'm talking, the sound is produced, so my vocal cords are basically vibrating to make that sound. Then it can be same in your instrument. It could be same with each and everything. If I'm tapping my table right now, so that means there's a vibration going on, and that's why we can hear that sound. Hi, Creative Vista. Hello, good evening. Yes, we do have Menti Cypria. But today we would be focusing more on the concepts, okay? So, yeah, you have to attend the class for doing good in the Menti quiz. So in some cases the sound producing objects are quite large, so हम easily उस चीज़ को देख पाते हैं. Like in tabla when you are hitting the beat on that tabla, you can see the membrane of that tabla kind of vibrating. You can see the strings of the guitar vibrating. But however, right now, can you see my vocal cords vibrating? No. But still they are vibrating to produce that sound. So जब हम उसको नहीं भी देख पाते, still the vibrations are being produced. So I can actually feel the vibration by putting my fingers on my vocal cord right now. So this is how we do that. So let's talk about a bit of your examples in which the sound is produced and how it is done. So right now you see that guitar produces the sound. How it is produced? It is produced by plucking the strings of the guitar. So these are the strings. We pluck these strings, they vibrate, they oscillate, and then they produce the sound. So this is how it works. The different variations of kind of vibrating that strings basically produce your sound. So it it acts as a medium. So the sound that it travels through air, it acts as a medium. So that's why when the vibration is done, so air के through वो vibrations हमारे तक आती हैं and we can hear the sound. Okay, I'm loving your emojis, Gitika. Perfect. So same is the case with sitar and veena. Yeah, so nice. That's why your name is guitarist. So nice. I also want to learn to play a guitar. Nilesh, hello. How are you doing? Very well, guys. Very well. All right. So let's move ahead. Sound by stretched rubber band. So I know that each one of you would have done that in your young days, or even now you are young, you are children, so you must be doing it currently. So you take a rubber band, you basically ting 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 karke you kind of struck it, and by that the sound is produced. So जितना आप hard उसको करते हो उतनी ज़्यादा sound produce होती है, because वो उतना ज़्यादा vibrate करता है. So this is how sound can be produced by a stretched rubber band. Why? Because it is being we are making that vibrate, right? All right, now here is sound by test tube. How can we do that? So whenever we blow inside the test tube, I take like a empty test tube and I just blow inside that. So what is inside that test tube that is vibrating? What is inside? Because now the test tube is not vibrating. So उसके अंदर ऐसा क्या है जो vibrate करके वो sound produce कर रहा है? What is it? Can you people answer me that? I know like there is a lag of 15 to 20 seconds in when I am speaking something and when it comes to like you, and that's why where we cannot kind of do that question and answer thing in between the class. Okay, so hi Shubham, how are you doing? Act as a whistle. Very good, guitarist. Very good. So absolutely. So basically your air present. So the air particles, the air molecules that is present inside your tube basically makes it vibrate. So that air particles are vibrating to create your whistle sound, your whistling sound. How? Okay. So this is how it basically produce that sound. So the sound is produced when the air column enclosed in the tube vessel vibrate. Thank you so much, Shubham. Thank you so much. That is so sweet of you. Yes, Sai Priya, we do have Menti quiz. Yes, it works as a whistle, Gitika. Very true. Hi, Ritika. How are you doing? Okay, Hitesh, we are going to study that very soon. So sound, as we just discussed, sound can be produced by the following methods: by vibration of the strings, by vibrating the air columns, by vibrating the membranes such as in tabla, by vibrating plates. So just again the same example. So this is how your sound can be produced by these 4 ways. So now we will be talking about humans, that how that sound is produced in humans. Okay, so let's focus upon this area. I'll quickly try to choose a good color for that. Yeah, let's take purple. So let's focus on this particular region right now. This is known as your voice box. So what does that contain and what does it have? Hi, legend. How are you doing? So many highs from you. Hi, Rohit. Hi, Priyanka. Hello. Good evening, Sanjay. Yes, it doesn't, Cypria. Very nice. Very good. Very good. So this is how your, inside your nasal cavity to your neck looks like. So in this, your nasal cavity, your mouth is just for producing sound. They're just like a area of basically inhaling and, taking that air inside. Very good, guitarist. So basically your vocal cords that are present inside your voice box or larynx basically, vibrate to produce sound, right? We would be talking about in detail, don't worry. So right now, as you can see, the human beings produce sound by using the voice box, which is called larynx. So हमारा voice box को क्या कहते हैं हम? larynx भी कहते हैं, ठीक है? अब उस larynx या voice box में ऐसा क्या होता है जो कि vibrate होके sound create करता है? That is your vocal cords. We have like two ligaments which vibrate to take out the sound, and those are known as your vocal cords. As you can see right over here, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This is how they look. Sanjay, first part of what, darling? Hi, Dhanujay. Hi, Priyanka. Oh, Prashant. Hello, everyone. Okay, so the vocal cords. Now, how do your vocal cords work? Let me explain it to you very quickly. So, whenever your vocal cords are relaxed, when you are not speaking, so what they do is they are like in this kind of a relaxed position in which they are a little bit, I would say, little bit open like this, and the air is, passing through them. They are not vibrating that much. They are absolutely relaxed, right? When you are not speaking, like I am speaking right now, so it would be in a different way. So when you're not speaking, your vocal cords look like this, absolutely relaxed, having place between them, right? If now, like I am speaking now continuously, so what happen is, what changes occurs from here, they become stretched and they have like little space for air to pass through. Why? Because वो air जो वो easily pass करने दे रहे थे अभी, now they want that air to vibrate them, right? So they need that air for vibration. तो इसीलिए वो air को pass नहीं करने देते, and that's why they are able to vibrate and take out that sound. So they look something like this when you start talking with a very thin slit between both of them, with for a very little amount of air to pass through them, but a more amount of air to vibrate them. So the lung pass the current of air between the two vocal cords. So जब भी आप बोलते हो, your lung is basically pushing that air through your vocal cords for them to vibrate. And when they vibrate, the sound is produced. Yes, this is the first part of the chapter I'm teaching. Very true, Sanjay. Hi Om, how are you doing? So nice to see you here. Perfect. So let's move on with the next question. Oh, next question, next slide. So sound produced by humans. So this is how it is done. When the muscle attached to your vocal cords contract and stretch. अब वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होके स्ट्रेच हो गए, अभी वो रिलैक्स थे, अब वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होके स्ट्रेच हो गए, तो वो टाइट और थिन बन जाती हैं आपकी वोकल कॉर्ड्स, एंड उसकी वजह से हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी वॉइस जो होती है प्रोड्यूस होनी शुरू हो जाती है. जब मसल रिलैक्स होते हैं इस तरीके से और लूज और थिक होते हैं, देन द लो फ्रीक्वेंसी वॉइस इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. Okay, so now again a very important concept that is coming up and is discussed in this particular slide. Let me just take the, okay, yeah, where's my pen? Yeah, now it's good. Okay, so the more important thing that we are going to discuss in this particular slide, due to the shorter vocal cords, the frequency of woman's voice is higher than that of a male. So a male has long vocal cords, okay, and females have short vocal cords. That is why the frequency of a female voice is much higher. तभी females की हल्की सी shrilling voice होती है और males की थोड़ी सी heavy voice होती है. That is the major reason over here. Hello Uttam, hello Sarita, how are you guys doing? I am both on Unacademy as well as on YouTube, Priyanka. So like I am on YouTube of Unacademy, and then I am on Unacademy application as well. And I do take like lots of classes on the Unacademy application also. So you can be a part of them, download that application, be the part of free classes or the subscribed classes. Absolutely, okay. So I believe that I have made my point clear over here. So this is how it is done. Now let's talk about the propagation of sound. What do you mean by propagation? प्रोपोगेशन मतलब कि साउंड जब ट्रैवल करती है तो वो कैसे ट्रैवल करती है. सो जो वो ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ साउंड, कि वो ट्रैवलिंग ऑफ साउंड इज नोन एज द प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ साउंड, राइट. एंड साउंड नीड्स अ मीडियम टू ट्रांसपोर्ट, एज इन मतलब कि कुछ तो वाइब्रेट होना चाहिए उसके एनवायरनमेंट में ताकि वो ट्रैवल कर पाए. बिना पार्टिकल्स के या बिना किसी चीज़ के, एज इन वैक्यूम, it cannot travel, right? Absolutely. So it cannot travel in a vacuum because it needs those air particles or any solid particle or a liquid particle to travel. Okay, so when object vibrates, then the air around it also starts vibrating in the exactly same way and carries the sound to our ears through the vibration of those molecules. So this is how the movement of air molecules, basically sound. So I just uttered a word, so ये वाले एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स एकदम से वाइब्रेट होंगे, फिर ये नीचे जाएगी वाइब्रेशन, मैंने फिर दूसरा वर्ड बोला, मैंने तीसरा वर्ड बोला, चौथा वर्ड बोला, पांचवा, छठा, एंड दिस इज हाउ दे बेसिकली स्टार्ट्स वाइब्रेटिंग. So right now I am speaking, so you are able to hear that. Why? Because the air molecules around me are basically vibrating to reach kind of propagate the sound. यही अगर मैं इतनी ज़ोर से even चिल्ला के मैं वैक्यूम में बोल रही होती तो you would not even have heard like a single sound out of my mouth, because there is no molecules to transfer that sound. Yes, absolutely. We would be covering this topic very soon, guitarist. So let's talk about the medium of its propagation. So medium क्या होता है कि it can be a liquid, it can be a gas as in air, it can be a solid as well. Vacuum नहीं हो सकता, बाकी हर चीज़ solid, liquid, gas is a medium of the propagation of sound. Right, it can travel, it cannot travel through vacuum because it has no molecules, and this is and yeah. So I have given you like a picture of tongue over here. So this is known as a tongue. So whenever you basically struck its two hands, so it makes like a very shrilling voice and a very high frequency sound. So yeah, it is used for like various purposes. Yes, Menti hai. Hi Ronak, Aparna. So nice to see you, Harsh. Okay, so right now we do have the sound of ringing telephone bell travels through the air in the room which is gas. So of course gas का बहुत अच्छा example है. अगर right now I'm speaking, so whenever you talk to someone, the propagation of sound is done by the medium of air. Very good example of that, right? Then it cannot travel through vacuum. So यहाँ पर एक और मैं आपको फटाफट एक I'll put in like a concept over here. So whenever the people go to moon, so वहाँ पर तो वैक्यूम है, वहाँ कोई एटमॉस्फेयर ही नहीं है, वहाँ कोई एयर ही नहीं है. लिक्विड में भी ऐसे थोड़ी जाके बोलोगे और साउंड मतलब कितना कर सकते हो. यू कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस ऑल द साउंड्स फ्रॉम द सॉलिड. सो हाउ डू दे बेसिकली कम्युनिकेट ऑन मून? So there they do have like really great devices that they use. They are basically radioactive your devices which basically use radio waves for the propagation of sound. That is why they are able to hear each other. Okay. Yes, we do have Mentimeter quiz. Okay, so Sanjay is asking why does it not travel through vacuum? Sanjay, because there is no molecules, कोई भी air molecule या किसी भी type का molecule आपका vacuum में present नहीं होता. It is absolutely empty. Like अगर मैं ये फटाफट एक box बनाऊँ आपका, तो वैक्यूम जो होता है ना बिल्कुल एम्प्टी होता है. सो उसमें कोई भी ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल नहीं होता जो कि वाइब्रेट करे. जब उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं तो वाइब्रेट क्या करेगा. एंड साउंड को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए वाइब्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. दैट्स वाई वी आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस साउंड इन अ वैक्यूम. येस एब्सोल्युटली, रेडियो वेव्स रेनू, वेरी ट्रू. ठीक है संजय, गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ऑलराइट, otherwise I'll explain it again quickly. So the speed of sound travels the slowest in gases, faster in liquid and the fastest in your solids. Why is that? Why? Because your vibrations. अब वो क्या होता है कि अगर मैं suppose it's just like let me give you an example by just kind of I'm trying to fan myself. If I put the fan over here and do that, थोड़ी कम हवा आएगी, right? मैं जितना पास रखूँगी उतना ज़्यादा pressure से I can feel this moving, right? So in the same case, what happen is when there is like gas, तो उसके particles जो होते हैं दूर दूर होते हैं, right? उसकी वजह से वो जो vibration होती है वो धीरे पहुँचती है एक दूसरे तक. आपके लिक्विड में थोड़े और पास होते हैं तो वो जल्दी जल्दी वाइब्रेशन जो होती है आपका ये गैस से ज़्यादा जल्दी पहुंच जाती है. और आपका सॉलिड तो बिल्कुल ही पैक्ड होता है. सो इसकी वजह से वो जो वाइब्रेशन होती है वो बहुत जल्दी पहुंच जाती है सॉलिड में. सो दैट इज़ वाई द साउंड इज़ एबल टू ट्रैवल द फास्टेस्ट इन योर सॉलिड. परफेक्ट, आई एम रियली ग्लैड दैट इट इज़ क्लियर नाउ. All right, perfect. Let's move ahead. So now we would be talking about and we would be comparing sound with light. And how are we going to do that? Okay, you can see a bit of my room right now. Let me just change my angle. So yeah, sound और light को जब हम compare करेंगे, light travels in a very 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 fast speed. साउंड उतनी स्पीड से ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाती है. दैट इज़ वाई द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग इज़ वेन एवर देयर इज़ अ लाइटनिंग. ठीक है, सो यू कैन सी द लाइटनिंग फर्स्ट एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम, लाइक आफ्टर अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स, यू हियर द साउंड ऑफ दैट लाइटनिंग, राइट? सो दिस इज़ वाई, दिस इज़ द रीज़न, बिकॉज लाइट की जो स्पीड है वो एकदम से आपके आंखों में चली जाती है, बट वो जो पीछे से साउंड है वो धीरे धीरे उसके पीछे आ रहा होता है. सो दिस इज़ लाइक द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाउ साउंड ट्रैवल्स स्लोअर दैन योर लाइट. Perfect. Okay, so this is like the last slide of this particular class. We would be talking about, अभी हमने सब कुछ पढ़ लिया कि साउंड प्रोड्यूस कैसे होती है, हमारे कैसे ट्रैवल करता है साउंड, हम कैसे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं साउंड, दूसरी चीज़ें कैसे प्रोड्यूस करती है, कैसे ट्रैवल करती है, कितनी स्पीड से ट्रैवल करती है, लाइट से ज़्यादा तेज़ होती है या धीरे होती है, ये अभी हमने सब पढ़ लिया है. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, अभी हम वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग अबाउट हाउ डू वी बेसिकली हियर साउंड, हाउ डज दैट वर्क इन द केस ऑफ ह्यूमन्स. ओके, सो लेट अस क्विकली डिग इन टू दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. सो our human ears are basically divided into three parts. Perfect. The first one is the outer ear that you can actually see over here. So this whole structure is your outer ear. इसके अंदर देखने की कोशिश करोगे तो आपको outer ear तो पूरा दिख जाएगा. उसके बाद आपका होता है middle ear. मिडिल ईयर के बारे में बात करेंगे. एंड एक होता है बिल्कुल इनर ईयर. सो एक हो गया आपका आउटर, एक हो गया मिडिल और आपका एक हो गया इनर ईयर. Yes, we would be starting with Menti in another 2 minutes. Bear it with me, this is a very important topic. I want you to cover it quickly. Okay, so yeah, so this is how your ear looks like from inside and even from outside. So this area, this fleshy area made up of cartilage is known as pinna. सो पिना आपका ये वाला ऊपर वाला ईयर होता है, इसके नीचे वाला जो पार्ट होता है ये वाला, उसको हम ईयर लोब कहते हैं. सो योर पिना इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्टिलेज. सो इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ डोम लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, ऐसे होता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी ईजी फॉर इट टू बेसिकली कलेक्ट द साउंड वेव्स. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ शेप्ड लाइक दिस. अगर आप अपना हाथ ऐसे करके पीछे इसके पिना के लगाओगे, यू वुड बी एबल टू हियर मच मोर नाइसली. वाई? बिकॉज यू आर बेसिकली इंक्रीजिंग द सर्फेस एरिया फॉर साउंड टू गेट ट्रैप्ड इन टू योर पिना, टू रीच योर पिना. सो यहाँ से हमारी साउंड वेव जो हैं एंटर करती हैं. उसके बाद ये साउंड वेव्स जाती हैं ईयर कैनाल या ईयर ड्रम में, जो कि आप वो कॉटन बड डाल के यू क्लीन इट एंड दिस इज ऑल यू कैन एक्चुअली टच योर ईयर टिल योर ईयर ड्रम. यहाँ तक आप टच करते हो. सो जैसे ही वो वाइब्रेशन अंदर जाती है ईयर कैनाल से, द ड्रम स्टार्ट्स वाइब्रेटिंग. ओके, सो वो सारी वाइब्रेशंस जो होती हैं आपके, जो आपने कलेक्ट करी हैं, वो सारा ड्रम को वाइब्रेट करना शुरू कर देता है. नाउ फ्रॉम ईयर ड्रम योर ईयर ड्रम के बाद आपका इनर ईयर, मिडल ईयर स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो मिडल ईयर में हमारी 3 टाइनी बोन्स होती हैं, हैमर, एनविल एंड स्टिरअप. सो अब ये लोग क्या करते हैं, दीज आर लाइक रियली टाइनी बोन्स. So the major, I would say the function of them is to amplify your sound. So जो भी आपकी sound waves आई है वो और ज़्यादा amplify कर देती हैं उनको by vibrating. So वो उन्होंने ear drum से vibrations उठाई and then they amplify it and transfer it to your cochlear. Now cochlear is your part of your inner ear and it is a coiled structure filled with liquid. Okay, and that liquid basically starts vibrating, and with that the last part of your ear is your auditory nerve that collects all those information and all those vibrations and take your signals to the brain. So this is how your ear works. I'll quickly read out the things that you can see over here. There are 3 tiny bones in the middle part of the ear, acts as a system of lever and amplify the sounds, vibrations coming from the eardrum before passing them to the inner ear known as cochlear. We should not put anything inside our ear because of course it's very sensitive. So who is ready to lead? Quickly tell me. So now we would be starting with the Menti quiz really fast, and I want you to be a part of it. Very nice, guys. So this Menti quiz would be like focusing on a bit of this chapter, like this part that we have just covered, not more than that. And let's begin with it. So before starting the Menti quiz, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to give me a thumbs up if you like the class and whatever we discussed right now. If you understood it, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, then just quickly join the Menti quiz. Menti quiz join करने के लिए, नए बच्चों के लिए, मुझे पता है आप बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो, सबको सारे तरीका पता है कि कैसे मेंटी क्विज खोलते हैं. आई नो यू पीपल आर लाइक अमेजिंगली इंटेलिजेंट, बट फॉर द न्यू वंस यू नीड टू ओपन लाइक अ न्यू टैब. एक नया टैब या विंडो खोलो अपने ब्राउज़र में या कहीं से भी आप कर रहे हो, उसमें आप डालो mentimeter.com. उस mentimeter.com के बाद दे विल बी आस्किंग यू फॉर अ कोड. So if you want to join this quiz, you need to put a code specific for this quiz. So वो क्या कोड है? 5342244. I'll quickly write that. Yes, very nice. I'll quickly write the code over here in the chat for you. That is 5342244. So that's 5342244. Yes, amazing. So I'm on what do you call this YouTube usually on the weekends, so especially on Saturday, because then I'm taking these special classes on Unacademy, then I have lots of work, so I get time on Saturdays and I usually fix my class accordingly. So quickly join in, people, everyone. I have written the code in the chat box and I would be starting like really soon. Okay, so beer is Aparna. Oh my god. Who is the this fox and goat and 2 feet? show me, tell me. जब तक सारे ज्वाइन करते हैं मुझे बताओ कौन कौन क्या है. And who is like rowing boat? Okay, we have like this sign also. Very nice. Quickly join in, open a new tab for mentimeter.com, put that code that you can see on your screens. Hi Khushi, quickly join in, child. And I think we are like good to start now. So I am waiting for like another 30 seconds for the people who have just joined in. So quickly start with kind of, opening this browser and putting this code. I'm again saying that once again. That is 5342244. Okay, 5342244. Great. So Sanjay is the umbrella. Perfect. So let's start with the first question of the class. And here it is. Oh, easy peasy one. I know you people are going to rock this one. Quickly answer it away. Okay, Ascend Champion 3 ka. You can easily, I think, get that on the Unacademy application. Very good. So larynx is the correct answer. The voice box is also called larynx. Okay, ligaments नहीं बोलते, tongue नहीं बोलते, larynx बोलते हैं. Okay, so let's see who is going to be on the leaderboard. The first one. Arey Amit, join the lead this Menti quiz now. Why are you answering here? कोमला, you also join in. कैसे join करते हैं? ओपन करो mentimeter.com एक दूसरे टैब या विंडो में और ये कोड डाल दो जो आप ऊपर देख पा रहे हो 5342244 वाला. Okay? Yes. So the first one is Ritu. Very nice. And we have Ankit. Okay, and he's about to buy a PC. Then we have Amit, Aparna, Watson, Sayanath, Gitika, Harsh, Trisha and Sanjay. Very well done, guys. Perfect. Let's move ahead. And here is your another question. Read it out, guys. Read the whole question out. Okay, hi Trisha. So absolutely, all of the above is absolutely the correct answer. Bilkul. So, vibrating strings of sitar, air columns, membranes, plates, everything would be like included in this particular answer. All right, very nice. So, here is the leaderboard. Let's see who answered it correctly. So, the fastest is what's yay? Okay, what's your name? What's yay? And then we have Ritu, what's yay? Ankit, Amit, Gitika, Sanjay, Aparna, Aditya, Harsh and Swati. Very well done. No problem, Jay. I know you are going to climb up really quick. So let's begin with the next question. The dash pass a current of air between the two vocal cords. What is it? Oh my God, who is going to answer that? Perfect. So the most of you answered it correctly. Lungs are the one that passes that air current. Brain कैसे air भेजेगा ऐसे उसमें vocal cord में? Air तो बिल्कुल गलत है. Oh sorry, brain तो बिल्कुल गलत है. So lungs is the correct answer. So let's see who is going to be on the leaderboard now. So what say is on the top? We have Gitika, Sanjay, Aparna, Aditya, Sainath, Ritu, Ankit, Amit and Ritika is the fastest. Very good. Ritika Vishwakarma. Very good. Very good. So let's move on with your next question. Okay, this is an easy peasy one. We are only here for studying, isn't it? Only here for studying, only can connect because of studies, and I'm only on this platform for teaching you people. So if you want to really get some knowledge, you can definitely connect with me on any of the platform that Unacademy provides. But I'm really sorry, nowhere other than that. So light travels much faster than sound. That is absolutely true. And let's see who is on the leaderboard. So Amit is the fastest this time. Very well done. Then we have what say Gitika, Aparna in the top 3. Then we have Aditya, Sayanath, Ankit, Amit, Ritika, Trisha and Sanjay. Very, very good. Very well done. All right. And here is your 5th question. Read it nicely. I know you people can answer that. Perfect. The male chord is longer than the female one. That is why their voice is a little heavy than ours. Okay, so we have Aparna, Ditya and Sainath in the top 3. Very nice. And we have what say Ritika, and Ritika is the fastest. Very good, Ritika. We have Gitika, Trisha, Tanvi, Harsh and Amit. Welcome to the leaderboard. Very good. Okay, so you can ask me any questions that you want on the chat that is available for this YouTube session. That is the live chat, whatever doubts you have for the academics, and yeah, on the special classes chat as well. So that is why the chat is meant. Okay, so who is going to answer this one? Perfect. So the correct answer is 20. So the vocal cord of a man is about 20 mm long. The females have 5 mm lesser than the males, that is 15 mm. So male की कितनी होती है 20 mm long होती है और females की कितनी होती है about 15 mm long. Right? Very good. Very nice, guys. So let's see who is going to be on the top now. So we have Aditya on the top. Ritika is the fastest and is on second. I knew it. She was the fastest in a lot of questions. Then we have Sainath, Aparna, Tanvi, Harsh, Pranavi, Amit, Watse and Gitika. Very good people. You are really climbing up really, really soon. Very nice, guys. Well done. Okay, who can answer this? And that is absolutely false. So the sound travels faster in iron because it is a solid and less faster or slower in your air because it is a gas. Okay, perfect. And let's see who is on the leaderboard now. Yes, Anil and Komal. False. So the fastest is Ritika. Very well done, Ritika. Then we have Aditya, Ritika, Tanvi in the top 3. Very nice. We have Harsh, Sayanath, Pranavi, Lord, Amit, Gitika, Aparna and Rakshi. Welcome to the leaderboard. So nice to see you here. And here is the 8th question. Come on, people, answer it away. A few more seconds to answer. Great, great, guys. So the auditory nerve is present in the ear, the inner ear, which basically transmits your signal from your ear to your brain. Very good, very good. So पिना थोड़ी नर्व होती है, पिना तो एक बाहर वाला ये वाला एरिया है पिना, right? So Aditya was the fastest this time. Very good, Aditya. Then we have Ritika and Tanvi in the top 3. We have Amit, Pranavi, Harsh, Sayanath, Ankit, Watse, and Gitika. Very well done. Nicely done. And here is the 9th question. Okay, this one is an easy peasy one. I know you people can answer that. Very good, very good. So noise is the sound which is absolutely unpleasant to your ears, right? So because it is like a very, I would say, varied frequency, it like really sounds very, I would say, bad. Yeah. Let's see who is on. Oh, so Amit is the fastest this time. Very good. Very well done, Amit. And then we have Aditya, Tanvi, and Amit in the top 3. Then we have Vishwakarma, Pranavi, Sayanath, Harsh, Ankit, What's Yay, and Gitika. Very good in the top 10. Very nice, guys. It's okay, Aparna. Try to answer it correctly. Think and answer it, guys. And it is for everyone. Try to think and read all the options and then answer it. Fast hona is a very good thing, but usually when whoever is on the top, usually they have like more numbers of correct answer rather than more number of fast answer. Fast answer mein thoda sa that can be galat also. Okay, so focus on like doing the correct answer rather than the fast one. So the preference should be the correct answer. I meant to say that. Okay, this one is an easy peasy one. Very well done, guys. You can do it. Absolutely, Pranavi. But I want you to answer in the, in the Menti quiz. Quickly join in so that you can be a winner as well and be on the leaderboard. Yes, so vibration is the correct answer. Okay, perfect. So the to and fro motion of any object is known as vibration. So let's see now who is on the leaderboard. So Aditya is the fastest. Then we have Tanvi and Amit in the top 3. Very well done. Then we have Ritika, Pranavi, Sayanath, Ankit, What's Yay, Gitika and Aparna Krishna. Welcome to the leaderboard. Very well done, guys. Very nice. Okay, so now we are left with like the last 5 questions. Quickly boost up all your nitros and I want you people to excel in each one of them. After this quiz, I would be taking up all your doubts. So if you have any doubt in any of the quiz questions, you can go ahead and ask me that after the quiz, okay? And yeah, let's begin with the 5th last question. Choose the most appropriate answer over here, okay? Oh my god, all of you answered it correctly. Perfect, guys. So, vocal cords vibrate whenever we talk. So, I gave you the option of neck as well, but yes, the most appropriate answer is vocal cords. So, they vibrate whenever we talk. Right? So, let's see who is coming up on the leaderboard. Yes, my very intelligent children. So I'm loving it that you answered here first and then you answered here also. Very nice. Good, Pranavi and guitarist. But try to answer it when we are on the leaderboard, okay? So that no one can cheat. Okay, so we have Aditya on the top, then we have Amit and Tanvi in the top 3. Welcome to the top 3, guys. Then we have Ritika, Pranavi, Sayanath, Ankit was the fastest. Then we have What's Yay, Gitika and Aparna. Very well done, guys. Okay, so the fourth last question is on your screens. Okay, I think I just missed this one. So we'll skip it. How do we skip it? What will you answer? I think all of them would be correct. So this will be like a nil answer. Okay, I hope that doesn't put any effect on the leaderboard. So guys, okay, all of you would be on the same level because of course I don't know why did you choose option 2 here. I have no idea what calculation you did to choose, but yeah, this is like an empty slide that just dived into between our, our Menti quiz. So yes, all of you are wrong. Really bad, huh? This one is like really the most, I would say, difficult one. So again, we have Aditya, Lord Amit and Tanvi in the top 3. Then we have Ritika, Pranavi, Sayanath, Ankit, Watsye, Gitika and Parna. Very good, guys. Very well done in this particular question specifically. Very nice. So let's move on with the next one. Oh, yeah, Pranavi, I got the point over here. 2 is the even number, right? Yeah, I can get the point here now. Very good. Okay, read all the options in here, okay? Don't do a misclick. Very easy one, but then you have to read each and every combination in this question. Amit, wrong. So, sound travels slowest in gas, faster in liquid, and the fastest in solid. Let me give you a quick example. If you are, if a train is coming by, okay, and you cannot see it, but you cannot hear it as well, right? Because it is like really far away. But why? But if you just put your ear on the railway track now, then you would be able to hear the vibrations of the train coming. Why? Because from the gas the sound is not able to reach us till now, but through that solid, that is the iron track, the sound is able to reach us really soon. So that is why your train tracks really start vibrating, and that kind of a, if you go near that area, so you can actually hear the train coming really really faster rather than seeing it. Okay, so this is like the best example right over here. So let's see who is on the leaderboard now. Perfect. So Ritika is the fastest. Very well done. Then we have Aditya, Amit, and Ritika in the top 3. Then we have Pranavi, Tanvi, Ankit, What's Yay, Sayanath, Aparna, and Gitika Pant. Very well done, guys. Hi, Kaniksha. So nice to have you in the class. Quickly join in the leaderboard. Hi, Sumit. So nice to see you. Okay. So the second last question of this class is on your screens. Okay, let's see who remembers this one. Perfect. So at least 12 people were able to answer it correctly, and that is Coachella. Okay. So the inner part of the ear. So you have the outer, you have the middle, and then you have the inner. So inner part of that contains the coiled tube known as Coachella. Other than that, hammer and anvil is a part of your middle ear, and your eardrum is a part of your outer ear. Okay. Yes, so let's move on with the last question. But before that, we do have the leaderboard for this question. So let's see. The fastest is Aditya again, and very nice. I'm now excited to really see who is going to maintain their positions. So Aditya is on the top. Then we have Amit, Ritika in the top 3. Then we have Pranavi, Ankit, Aparna, Sayanath, Tanvi, Watse, and Gitika. Very, very, very good. It's okay, Aparna. I know you can do it. In the next one, you would be getting ample options, each one of you. Like I always have Menti quiz in my classes, and I love to conduct that because it gives you a scope to analyze your performance. So yeah, and keep all your doubts ready, guys. After this, I would be having like a 2-3 minute quick session of taking up your doubts. All right, so here is the last question, and all the best for that. Pranavi, it's okay. That's how we learn, right? Okay, I believe this is an easy peasy one. If you know it, you know it. Okay, I know 10 people of you actually know this answer. So hammer, anvil, and stirrup, all of them are a part of your middle ear. These are like really tiny bones present in your inner ear, and this is the correct answer, all of the above. So let's see who is the topper of today's class. Now I'm really excited. Let's see. Very well done, Aditya. Very well done. So Aditya is the topper of today's class. Very nice. But we do have Amit, Ritika, Pranavi, Krishna. We have Wingardium, I believe. Then we have Ankit. Then we have Sayanath, Gitika, and Tanvi on the top 10. Very good, guys. Congratulations to each one of you. All correct. Oh my god, he's smirking like all correct. Very nice. Very nicely done by all of you, and congratulations to Aditya for being the topper. Very nice, guys. So quickly come up with your doubts if you have any. Well done, well done. So guys, as you can see on your screens, you can ask me anything, and my Telegram link is with most of you people. So you just let me know if you need the Telegram link. I'll just post it once again in the chat. And yeah, so this is my referral code for YouTube. That is, why I'm not able to write. Okay, that is A live. What I'm making? Oh god. Just ignore my effort to draw A live 10. Just imagine that I have written A live 10 over here. And yeah, I think I don't have any classes for tomorrow scheduled in YouTube or Unacademy. I will be enjoying my Sunday after long time, and I hope the same with you. And yeah, you have any doubts, guys? Go ahead and ask that. Otherwise, I'll do that little buck. So A live is my code if you want to go ahead with A live 10, and if you want to go ahead with a plus and iconic subscription, then you can definitely use my code to take a 10% discount. And this is what all things you get whenever you be a part of Plus. So for being a part of Plus, you need to download the Unacademy application. You need to take the Plus or the iconic subscription that are available. My birthday is on 26th July. Yeah, so wait, I don't have any classes scheduled for tomorrow. Okay? Yes, absolutely. So my birthday comes on 26th July. And yeah, these are the upcoming and the ongoing batches on this wonderful platform. You can be a part of them. And yeah, thank you everyone, and let's see you and meet you in the next class. I would be waiting for all of you. I have started a new batch in the plus subscription. You can take that in Iconic as well. In that we are like really covering up the electricity part and other options. So go check it out, and just like this class if you basically like the class that I just took. And yeah. Okay, so my year is like 26th July 1998. So 98 is my year. I know you people must be in 2000s. So yeah, I'm like really old to you. Elder to you. Perfect. That is so great, and just gives me a thumbs up. And just if you want to have all the updates of my classes, you can follow me on the Telegram as well, even on the Unacademy application. So great guys, great seeing you. Okay, take care everyone. I had a lovely time with each one of you. Bye bye.